This is the new FW200 smart helicopter which adopts full metal digital servos and full metal frame. Install the newest V2 helicopter control system which use high-speed processor. You can fly this helicopter in inverted flight, and you can also fly this helicopter in any another 3D aerobatics mode like this. This is the new helicopter which is released very recently into the market. The model of this helicopter is FW200. This helicopter is pretty stable helicopter, and this helicopter can come back to home easily with one key return back to home button. This is the product diameter of this helicopter. This helicopter is available with different colors in the market like this. Using this laser ranging sensor, the helicopter can hover accurately. Go with the pushing stick, stop the release stick, downward vision system, respond quickly. Don't worry, the helicopter fly away. It on one key to return function, lose control function, and it will come back to home very easily. If you lose the signal, then don't worry about that. This helicopter is occupied with Bluetooth connect and etc. Low battery alarm and safe landing easily. More intelligent aerobatics mode, full control, left, right, up, down. Fly as you want to fly this helicopter. You can also fly this helicopter in many 3D mode and aerobatics. This is the best choice for the beginners. This FW200 helicopter is really amazing. This is the great choice for beginner pilots. I hope you have to buy this helicopter and enjoy the flights with this helicopter. This is the great recommendation for the beginner pilots. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.